You need to watch this if you struggle with blood sugar control. Meet GlucoBerry. GlucoBerry is a natural dietary supplement that takes a unique approach to managing blood sugar. It's all about the kidney's blood sugar drain. Think of it like unclogging a drain in your sink. The main ingredient, maki berry extract, works to dissolve a sticky gray protein that clogs the kidney's blood sugar drain system. Add in chromium and biotin to support your insulin response. Plus, gymnema leaf extract for a healthy immune system, and you've got a powerhouse formula. Just 1 capsule a day with breakfast can help control blood sugar, increase energy, manage weight, and even reduce cravings. And guess what? It's non-GMO and free from soy, dairy, nuts, and gluten. Manufactured in FDA-approved facilities, GlucoBerry is tested for purity and contaminants, ensuring you get a safe and effective product. Ready to give it a try? Head to the official website and check out their 180-day money-back guarantee. Perfect blood sugar levels might just be a capsule away.